All right, here is a very early kind of beta example. So it's based on the idea that we have a setup like this. The first document's going to be called bio, um, and then we've got part 1, 2, and 3 within the folder. So right now this is our MAT licensure template, but it'd be one that kind of gets copied over for each student. And whatever's in here is going to be what you want, and it can have whatever content you want. In this case, I just gave them titles so that I could tell when they were loading appropriately. So let's take a look at what a Google kind of app viewer might look like. And it's going to do something like this. So let me restart it. All right, so it takes it, a little bit of time to load. And it loads my bio page. In this case, it just says Tom Woodward and it has a picture. You can scroll on the side there. And then this, I add it like last updated. In this case, it's not very exciting since they were all created today. But you'll be able to click through, see the content. We can decide some things like how do we want to order these? And would we want them to change based on the last update? Would we always want them in the same order? If so, what order is that? Stuff like that. But it is working, and at least gives us something to reflect on. Like maybe we need the person's name always to show at the top, or it starts to let us ask questions and have opinions about things. But that's a start.